See here, this is a very interesting problem and very important problem here. So here some parameters are given. So that is beta is equal to 50 and VB is equal to 0.6 volts. Suppose if beta is increased 5%, so then what is the change in the VC value? So this is the question. That means first of all find the VCE value for beta equal to 50. Now change with 5% added, means increase the 5%. That means beta equal to 50 plus 5% means here 2.5. So for this, what is the new VC value? So that is, this is VC1 and this is VC2. Now compare the change in VC1 and VC2. Okay. So first of all find the VC1. So for beta is equal to 50. So here the two parameters given, that is 50 beta and VB value, and VCC is given. Okay. Now first of all I am going to find the base current. So from this loop. Okay. So in this loop first of all write the equation, that is VCC equal to, so base current into base resistance plus, so voltage drop between base and emitter plus, and IB into base emitter resistance into beta. Okay. So in this loop I am going to write the loop equation. So VCC equal to the voltage drop across base resistance, that is IB into RB, plus voltage drop across base to emitter plus IB into R into beta. So some beta is there. Okay. As some effect upon the voltage drop across base emitter resistance. Okay. Now substitute here, then we get the IB value. Okay. Base current. So from that I am going to find the IC value. From that we can add the VC value. So first of all find here IB value. So that is IB equal to, so bring this term on left hand side, that is VCC minus VBE. So remaining terms IB is common. So that is divided by RB plus RE into beta. Now substitute here. VCC is equal to 10 volts and VB is 0.6 volts is given. So 10 volts minus 0.6 volts divided by, so IB is here, sorry RB, that is 400 kilo ohms plus emitter resistance is 1 kilo ohm into beta is 50. So we know that IC is equal to beta into IB. So here IB is there, directly product with beta, then we get the IC value. So that is beta equal to, here 50 is there. So the final will get directly IC value here. Okay. Now by simplifying this with the help of calculator, we will get the value is 1.04 milliamperes. So this is the collector current. So from that collector current, now take this loop. So from this loop we will get the collector to emitter voltage. So let's see here. Now write the loop equation here. So in this loop equation, so that is equal to VCC equal to IC RC plus VCE plus IC RE. Okay. So the voltage is total is VCC is 10 volts is there. So that will going to equal to IC RC here. Okay. So the current is IC. Here also current is IC current. Okay. Now voltage drop across collector to emitter is VCE plus IC RE. Now from this we will get the VC value. So IC already we got that is equal to 1.04 milliamperes. Now substitute here. 10 volts equal to VCE plus, here IC is common, IC we got 1.04. So now RC is 2.7 kilo ohms plus RE is 1 kilo ohm. So from this we will get VC equal to 10 minus 3.85, so that equal to 6.15 volts. So this is the VC value at beta equal to 50. So at beta equal to 50, so VC is 6.15 volts. Now increase the beta value by 5%. Then again calculate the same procedure, we will get the VC value. Now compare the two VC values. Okay. Now I am going to increment with 5% of beta. So in 5% of beta is 2.5. So that is equal, then the new beta becomes beta equal to 50 plus 5% is 2.5. So then the new beta is 52.5. So for this beta value, what is the VC value? Same procedure. So first of all find the IC value. Next substitute in this equation, then we get the VCE new value. Okay, let's see here. So we know that in this loop IC equal to beta into VCC minus VBE by RB plus beta RE. Now substitute here, we get the IC value. So that is, so the new beta is 52.5 into 10 minus 0.6. Okay, that is VBE divided by, so RB is 400 kilo ohms plus 52.5 into 1 kilo ohm. So that's equal to, so this is totally IB value. So beta into IB, that equal to IC. Okay, so this that equal to IC is equal to, so by using the calculator we will get 1.09 milliamperes. Now take this loop. In this loop we will get the VC new value. Okay, now write the loop equation here. VCC equal to ICRC plus VCE plus ICRE. So from this VCE equation equal to VCC minus IC into RC plus RE. So I just write the equation. I bring this term, these two terms into left hand side. Okay, this is the equation. IC we got for beta equal to 52.5. Okay, now substitute here. So 10 volts minus, so IC we got 1.09 milliamperes. So 1.09 milliamperes into RC is 2.7 kilo ohms plus RE is 1 kilo ohm. So from this we get VCE equal to 5.967 volts. This is for beta equal to 52.5. So for beta equal to 50, we got VCE is 6.15 volts. Now what is the change? How much passive are going to change here? So here beta incremented, then the VC value is decremented. Okay, from 50 to 52.5 is going, so VC value going to decreases. Okay, means there is a decrement is there. Okay, that means minus percentage is there. So that can be calculated as, so VCE equal to, by using the percentages formula, 5.967 minus 6.15 by total value is 6.15. How much was going to change? So 6.15 is the actual value, but there is a change is there. So into 100 percentage, we are going to get the percentage. So that is minus 2.97 percentage. So VC is decreased by, your minus means decremented. Okay, so that is what decreased by 2.97 percentage. So in this total value, 2.97% was decremented. Okay, so from the options, so option D is the correct option for the problem.